Morpheus believes he is the one.
Do you?
I know why you're here, Neo. I know what you've been doing. I know why you hardly sleep, why you live alone, and why night after night you sit at your computer.
You still want to meet?
Yes.
Then go to the Adam Street Bridge.
What is the Matrix?
Have you ever had a dream, Neil, that you were so sure was real?
A prison for your mind.
Welcome to the real world. The machines had found the energy of human beings. You've been living in a dream world, Neo. My being stronger or faster has anything to do with my muscle in this place. You are not one of us. You are one of them.
And you are a Smith.
They are everyone.
Agent, as you can see, human beings are a disease.
We have survived by hiding from them.
The Oracle, she told me this would happen. She told me that I would have to make a choice.
What choice? Now get up. Neo. No one has ever done anything like this.
Move any metallic items. So you're here to save the world. Little piece of advice. You see an agent?
Mr. Anderson.
Run.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
I know it.
Then you'll see that it is not the spoon that bends,
He's the one.
it is only yourself.
I'm in.
What happens when you go through the door?
Zion! Hear me!
I see Trinity.
The machines have gathered an army, and that army is drawing nearer to our home.
She starts to fall. Smith will suffice.
Do you see her die?
No. How you fellas?
It's him, the anomaly. Do we proceed? Yes, he is still.
Mr. Anderson.
The meeting is over. Retreat to your exits. Agents are coming. Upgrades.
That's it, Mr. Anderson.
Who are you?
Look past the flesh, your enemy.
No.
Oh yes, Mr. Anderson. There's nowhere I can't go. There is nowhere I won't find you. Inevitable.
You know why we are here.
Causality. There is no escape from it. I'll handle that.
Handle us. You'll handle us.
Touch me, and that hand will never touch anything again.
See, he's just a man.
After everything that has happened, how can you expect me to believe you?
Holy shit, he caught it.
Come on, Neo, I need help!
This is a war. I cannot stop him, but I can.
Everything that has a beginning has an end.
Mr. Anderson, welcome back.
I won't.
Tonight, the future of both worlds will be in your hands or in his.
It ends tonight.
We already know that I'm the one that beats you.
What do you want? Peace. As long as there is a single breath in his body, he will not give up. And neither can we.
You have to save Zion.
Oh no.
Why, Mr. Anderson? Why? Why do you persist?
Because I choose to